Now we are in the Pagani Museum. It's Horacio Pagani Competition. Renault engine. Pagani Renault. Little bike. Sewing machine. The Zonda looks like a wooden block of it. This looks to be the mock-up. A little Pagani golf cart. Oh, did I mention this? No, I didn't, did I? This is gorgeous. Let's go let the car do the talking. Look at the AMG engine. And look at the inside of the car. The level of detail is insane. This is the Zonda S. This is a 2000. This is a 2005 Zonda F. Here's a Zonda Cinque Roster. Zonda R Revo, correction. This is the Zonda HP Barchetta Revo. I believe it's one of three in the world. And this is the Pagani Imola. 2020 Imola. I'm sure even this Pagani is something I could not afford. Look at this. Look at the scoops. Tailpipes. Oh, look at the front of this car. That is wild. Pagani Huayra. This is a 2011. Look at the gold on the engine, the accents. Naturally gold wheels. And the sheer level of detail on the inside. There's one of the luggage compartments. Little leather straps to open it up. The central lock wheels. This place has got me like a kid in a candy store. So here is the panoramic of the Pagani Museum. Zooming in on the Huayra, to the Zonda, another Zonda, another Zonda, the Zonda Cinque Roadster, the Zonda Barchetta, and that beautiful Zonda right there.